So, magnets. So this is the bus where you can do the sightseeing of Los Angeles, LA, California.
It's up to you where are you going?
Yeah. But we need...
Okay, let's go. Mekanis na.
Oh, kailangan namin makabalik din ng alas.
Oh, sige.
We have to be here by 2, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Filipino, I can talk Filipino.
So व्यूअर्स हम लोग जा रहे हैं हॉलीवुड और यहाँ पे जो ड्राइवर है ना वो है फिलिपिनो बंदा, ठीक है। तो फिर मिल गया $50 पर हेड है, तो $200 में राउंड ट्रिप है जाने और आने का हॉलीवुड। तो देखते हैं क्या होता है।
As long as we come back to only Jollibee.
तो ये कार्ड दिया है भाई ने,
We can talk while in the car, no?
जल्दीबाजी है क्योंकि या सो दैट इज विजय।
No, we are from Philippines. Yes. Hey, yes.
तो उसने फ्रंट वाली सीट ग्रैब कर ली, चलो मैं साइड में।
Direct Coca-Cola already. Thank you. Make sure you use this.
Not only you.
So this is mixed nationality, right?
Yes, of
India, what else?
India, Indonesia, and
China.
Philippines.
You lady, where are you from? Tell me the truth.
Philippines.
Oh.
Indonesia, she is from Indonesia. Husband and wife this.
Indonesia, terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
So I'll introduce to you guys. Hello viewers, and this handsome guy is Vijaya
Vijaya. You can call me PJ.
From Indonesia.
From Indonesia.
And his beautiful wife Prasta.
From Indonesia, yay!
Okay, and one more
From Philippines.
Filipino guy,
With my
Otto,
Filipino
and our boss
kababayan.
who is taking us to Hollywood. Bro, what's your name?
Me?
Yeah,
Ernie.
Ernie.
Yeah.
So we are on the way to Hollywood.
Wow.
If you wanna go to Hollywood,
7695.
Yeah.
That is my wife. WhatsApp number.
Anong limit po dito ng driving?
65 miles an hour, pero pwede kang mag-Uber kung marami kayo.
Hindi, I mean yung speed limit.
65 miles per hour.
65.
तो फिर फाइनली हम 1 घंटा 10-20 मिनट के बाद हॉलीवुड पहुँचे। मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन कुछ ज़्यादा थी, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक पहाड़ था जिसमें हॉलीवुड लिखा हुआ था। ये तो मैंने टीवी में भी देखा था। मैं सोच रहा था कुछ और भी होगा, लेकिन फिर भी काफ़ी सारी भीड़ थी यहाँ। सुबह का टाइम था 4 बजे, लेकिन भीड़ अच्छी खासी थी। और ये पूरा पहाड़ी एरिया था और यहाँ मतलब जो घर थे काफ़ी पॉश थे। So they have already started taking selfies and all this. गर्मी काफ़ी हो रही थी यहाँ पर, अराउंड 11 बजा था, लेकिन अच्छी खासी गर्मी हो रही थी। और वही हुआ जो होता है, सब लोग फ़ोटो खिंचाने और वीडियो बनाने में लगे थे। जो ये व्यू है, जो पहाड़ है, ये हरी भरी पेड़ पौधे हैं, इसका आनंद कोई ज़्यादा नहीं उठा रहा था। बस फ़ोटो क्लिक कर रहे थे और फिर निकल रहे थे। यहाँ पे जितना भी टाइम स्पेंड हो रहा था, सब लोग फ़ोटो खींचने में थे। और फिर निकलो यहाँ से, थोड़ा मैग्नेट ले लो और फिर यहाँ से जाने के बाद फिर वॉक अवे में जाएंगे हम। वॉक अवे भी काफ़ी अच्छी जगह है। Big ground now where we can play cricket or football. Where would you like to go to the park or what? It's looking nice from here also. See the sun.
Magnet, what is the magnet? Yes, where's the magnet?
All this.
Yes, magnet.
Ah, this is nice.
3 for $10. You mix and match. Magnet, kitchen,
How much?
and toy.
How much?
3 for 10.
3 for
$3
$10.
for $10. Yes. Mix and match.
Ayan, yang kini.
Lake Hollywood Park welcome you. Let's go, let's go.
Mana terus?
What's that? Mango? Masarap yung good.
Ha?
Masarap yung good.
फिर यहाँ से हमारा हॉलीवुड देखने के बाद अगला सफ़र शुरू हुआ, जो था वॉक अवे हॉलीवुड स्ट्रीट। और रास्ते में फिर वही हरे भरे पेड़, क्लीन सिटी और अच्छे अच्छे घर वही देखने को मिले। और फिर हम पहुँचे वॉक अवे में, जो ऑलमोस्ट हमें लगा आधा घंटे के करीब लगा यहाँ से। What's the name of this place?
Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Hollywood Walk of Fame. Okay. So this is the place where we can walk for a while. Maybe we'll see some Hollywood star. And 2 Hollywood star are already here. I think next year they're gonna apply for the Hollywood. But my expectation from the Hollywood was like not what I thought. It was just opposite of that. How about you? How you feel there? Good? Or
Let's see. I think.
no? But what do you feel there? You went there, clicked some picture. What was your feeling?
Oh yeah, good, good.
How about you, Prastha?
Good.
Ganyan lang.
You are really very excited now, but
Pero pagka
now I
ganito,
think we didn't see what we were expected. Right?
Yeah.
It was just we clicked the picture and then just came back. Maybe I don't know. It's like what you guys have thought, but my imagine was something else.
Because time, we fight with the time.
Yeah, and we have like sort of time also. Because we only have 3 hours left, and within 3 hours.
Nandun yung pangalan na
Yeah, but no, not take lunch.
Yeah, no.
That's why you
And we
cannot
skip for
eat
lunch also, and we just had some
basta
banana. Sorry, this mangoes. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least we know that we've been to Hollywood and it's look like that.
Yeah.
So we can tell the story
Okay,
to people. Yeah, it's look like that. You can go from here there.
Toro.
तो यहाँ से हमारा सफ़र शुरू हुआ हॉलीवुड वॉक अवे स्ट्रीट्स का। ये देख सकते हैं, अगर आपको दिख रहा होगा तो रास्ते में सारे स्टार्स बने हुए हैं और उसमें हॉलीवुड के जितने भी फेमस स्टार हैं ना, जो सुपर डुपर हिट विंटेज जो भी कहो, जो अच्छे अच्छे स्टार्स हैं ना, उनके सारे के नाम लिखे होंगे स्टार में, जो पिंक स्टार दिख रहे हैं रोडों में रास्ते में ना। और फिर लोग इसी में अपनी सेल्फी खिंचवाते हैं। What's this? Arturo.
Sitting down. Sitting down. I will take your picture. Sit down.
I'll take your picture.
So my friend name is Arturo and the Arturo name is written here. Yeah, lucky man, lucky. It's hot.
Arturo.
Who's coming?
Your name.
The spinner.
Your name, no?
See the names.
Go, go.
Like in every single star.
Let's go.
Go. So guys, this famous place is like, you know, all the Hollywood stars' names are, it's like famous Hollywood star names are written on the street and you can walk on them. Joel Grey, Richard Arlen. Wax Museum. So one name is written here. He's writing the name. This is how they write the name here. Here goes Spider-Man.
The best in Hollywood. Made in Hollywood. Made in America. Take picture.
Hollywood Spider-Man, the real Spider-Man. Huh?
Mabute, Pacquiao for president. Pacquiao. Vamos. No.
Okay, Spider-Man.
Salamat, Avisayas in the clip. Pacquiao for president. Mabute.
Guys, how much is he charging? You know, $20 for clicking a picture. My God, it's like, what is it, you know, $20 just. Even this guy, they click the picture, they are like surprised, you know, by the amount they get.
En la noche se pone bien festivo. O a los teatros.
So this is the bus where you can do the sightseeing of Los Angeles, LA, California. See the Disney stars. Some shooting or what? She was somewhere else.
That's okay.
I want to buy something here. Bro, how much is this magnet? To drive this car is $149 no deposit.
Why not?
Lamborghini. My God.
तो टाइम की कमी के कारण हम वॉक अवे से फटाफट निकले और फिर एक स्टेडियम दिखा हमें रास्ते में, वहाँ पे कुछ फ़ोटो क्लिक करी। काफ़ी अच्छा स्टेडियम लग रहा था ये भी। और फिर उसके बाद हम फटाफट वापस टैक्सी पकड़ी हमने, वही सेम वाली टैक्सी, और फिर शिप में चले गए थे।
Wait, wait. 1, 2.
So we don't have much time, only 1 hour left to reach on board. So we are running like a headless chicken. You know how the headless chicken runs? Same way. Like we seen most of the things, but it was the trip was like very short. It was a short trip. We need more time, at least like 2-3 hours. 2-3 hours time. So somewhere here our taxi is parked. Where's the park?
I'm gonna follow.
And she's counting the menu.